Welcome to the sun in my eyes.
Oh God.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Beverages.
May I have my beverages, please?
Fuck your mother. That's my mother. Wait.
That's the worst thing you've ever said.
Do you want your tea now?
No, the tea can wait.
You suck.
God, that sun is so bright. But I need this view. I need this view in Virginia.
Mandy is handing me goods, and then I hand them to you. I don't know what this is gonna be.
What is Princess Pasta handing me?
I don't know what this is yet. This is your sister.
Oh,
this is Mandy's breakfast.
Do you not understand how the words work?
You don't get to eat that one, you bitch. That's mine. That's hers.
So the Pea Cooks is here as well. That's so cool.
You simple child. Hold on, I know what this is gonna be.
Okay, can I have one of these now?
Nope, my breakfast.
Oh. Hey, that's Michelle's breakfast.
Yeah, M Cooks. Punch you in the face.
It's bacon.
Here's a lid for you, ma'am.
I would like my...
My alarm is still going off. This is gonna be yours then. Hold on. There's 2 plates for you then.
Yeah, hell yeah. Oh. What even is?
So Zio's here ordered Chinese breakfast at this resort we're staying
This
at.
resort's owned by a Chinese conglomerate
Of some sort,
or
or
owner,
they're catering to Chinese tourists.
and they have very, very specific. Oh, that's
Looks like a churro you have there. I don't
it's a
know what
bowl of snot.
What are this?
Do I have a third thing? Oh, oh. Oh, there's an oily. Well, I gotta undo. Whoa, that's strong. Okay, that's strong smelling. I think that's the same thing.
Hold on, tiny ketchup.
Whoa, that's. I don't know if I'm putting those on my food.
Would you like utensils?
Do I get chopsticks?
No, you didn't.
Where did I not get chopsticks from my
Less
Chinese?
potatoes than yesterday.
But they look better cooked than yesterday's potatoes.
This is yours.
That's like straight soy sauce.
This is your orange juice, unless you don't want it.
Give me that OJ, baby. All right, I'm gonna Jesus, science. See, that's normal American breakfast, but since China owns like most of everything you see, what?
Spiders.
Spiders are fine. Since China owns all of it, it's like I got to try this stuff. Does everybody want to know what it's? I don't know what to do.
Put them in your throat hole.
No, this.
Oh, you just, I don't know.
Like that. Do I add? Smell this.
I don't, do I have to?
Yeah, you do. Assess that as a cook. That's
It's very umami, like, I don't know, it's got like a fruity kind of like bitter. Oh, there's a big spider up there. I'm not going that way. F you, buddy. Move forward. F you, buddy.
All right, I'm gonna save this for the yolks of the egg because I know what that is. I think I'm supposed to put something on this. Oh, you're blocking the sun. It's great.
You're welcome.
Oh, it is a bowl of snot. Oh, it's
It's
horse.
kongi.
Horse cum? What?
Should we go over what everything is for the internet? Like what
Yeah, please.
the description of this was?
Yeah.
Hold on.
I feel like I need to add salt to this already and I haven't even
There's
tried
salt there.
Where's the princess?
She is preparing her, I don't know, her day. So this description was Chinese breakfast.
That's bland as shit.
Please allow 45 minutes. Yes, it's supposed to be. It's like oatmeal. Kongi, which is this. It's a rice like. It's like a rice porridge. Crullers. Oh, that's what those are. Got it. Steamed dumplings.
Yeah.
Poached eggs.
Yeah.
Spinach.
Yeah.
Orange juice.
Yeah.
Choice of green or black tea.
Which we got a pot of.
Oh, they're like seasoned
So, yeah.
potatoes. Fuck me up.
My butt is literally on this chair. That's cool. It's cool, cool.
That's good. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, I think. Princess pasta. I have the pepper. Thank you.
Pepper?
Fucking pepper, you. How did she get pepper to work?
She's magic. She's better than you.
It's all on the wrist.
The rest. Mini ketchup's my favorite kinds of ketchup.
Yeah.
Let me see the little pepper. Baby.
Your mofo just took my ketchup.
That is a glass. That feels like the biggest waste. Unless they're gonna refill those. That seems like a big waste.
It is.
Okay, so now we've got.
We love wasting things.
American.
Wasteful.
All right, here we go. Let's try this now. Salted, peppered.
People are driving bowls down there.
Not bad. All right. Got that good. That's level. Needs more salt though. It does come with this soy. I don't think I'm supposed to put the soy on it. I feel like this.
Yeah, I don't know. I think the dumplings, I'm assuming, are some sort of dipping sauce.
I'm ripping this open.
We should have chicken.
This feels like
answer
it's
this for
plastic.
us.
Hold on.
Steven, is chicken awake?
I don't know.
Should I find out if chicken's awake for you?
Hold on, let me. I'm gonna try it out.
He would know.
Okay, it's
Like,
very
chewing
dry.
it so terribly, I'm gonna literally stab you in the eyes.
It's worse in person than on camera.
It's so much worse, internet.
And I love a good mukbang, you know?
That is soy dry. Got it? Soy dry. I added soy.
So what is it? What is it? You think pork?
Yeah. Oh my god, that is so salty. Holy fuck. Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa!
That's the international.
Whoa!
If this is what Chinese people eat every day, they're all gonna be dead in 12 years.
I'm gonna have some.
When you break that, like, I need to watch something so
All right,
satisfying.
hold on, here we go.
The yolk.
Now that's good. Hint of seaweed. Also pork,
I
I
like
think.
cabbage though.
Oh, these potatoes are so much better.
That I could dip into this crazy ass salty shit, Mom.
Good potatoes today. They're seasoned and like delicious. Yesterday they were a little hard.
Yeah, and plain.
I think I'm going to remove this from the spinach.
Why?
I want to try the spinach separately.
Weirdo.
Yeah. Oh, it's just pleasant. This was nice spinach. Actually, you know what? I need to modify this one.
Salt.
No, that.
Oh, all right.
It's a rice dish. I eat spinach and rice all the time. And I don't eat, well, actually, I do eat eggs and spinach. But usually it's not like this particular orientation of everything.
Oh, this is matcha green tea. Just be aware.
Okay. Bossy, you wanted to see when I broke this?
Oh, yeah. Do it.
Ready?
Oh.
Nice. Perfectly cooked.
Those are way better than mine yesterday. Fuck you.
Today's chef is better.
Yeah.
I should probably salt these, but I'm going to try half first.
My bacon was better yesterday. That's so good.
A little bit of salt needs.
Way better today.
But wait, fam. There's more. Now I'm going to take this thing, this crawler, which is, I don't know. Let's see what this does in here.
Let's see what this does in here.
All right, you guys want me to try the stinky shit. They're going to want me to see you to try the stinky shit.
It's not stinky. It's just strong.
Oh. I'm pretty sure I picked the shit out of my brake lines when I have, like, bad brakes. Oh.
How was that?
Oh. Oh. Oh, that ruined breakfast. I'm done.
Really?
That's so... Really? Oh,
I'm
here
not
you
eating
go.
it. No, I'm allergic to too many things.
Oh, it's a shame. How convenient it is that you might die. Oh, if you were gonna die, that's not the way to do it. Yeah, I need to rinse down that.
I'm seeing if chicken's awake.
That is some shit. Like literally shit.
OJ's come.
Okay. So now I have spinachy rice, salted spinachy rice.
Kongi.
Still needs more salt.
Say
It
it
just
right.
needs more salt. Kongi. Like lots of salt.
My eggs are so good.
I don't even know what's in. What is this fluid this is in?
It's like porridge. So it's like, it's probably, I'm not sure if it's a broth or if it's water. But it's porridge. It's like oatmeal but with rice.
These things, I get these at my Chinese restaurant, and the problem is that they're very
They
dry.
seem dense.
They're very dry, unless you dip in something. But the soy sauce is ridiculous.
Don't you tea?
A second, I'm trying something. That worked. A little bit of flavor, a little bit of moisture to the party. Okay. I think I've tried everything now. I'm going to savor the eggs because that's a real breakfast. That's a real American breakfast. I'm going to finish eating my cruller. Pasta, would you like to try cruller?
Oh, I'm good, thank you. I almost shit my pants yesterday for all the gluten.
Yeah, shit gluten. Gluten. I'm pouring you your cheeks.
Okay. From here too.
What a good sister you.
What a good M cook. Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed this view. Can we get an affiliate account that links to this resort so that people click
There's
it?
no affiliate account you can use. You can just link to it if you want to.
Okay. I'll see you all in another 2 months with another video on Z Cooks. Maybe. Peace.